Welcome to IMAGINiT Pulse. In your business, survival depends on data flowing smoothly from one system to another. But most medium-sized companies are doing it the hard way, using spreadsheets or even manually transcribing data from one system to another. If this sounds familiar, you're likely aware of the data issues that can arise from these manual, painstaking processes. And since there is no traceability, you have no way of knowing what went wrong. IMAGINiT Pulse offers a better solution. IMAGINiT Pulse is a business systems integration platform. It seamlessly bridges discrete business systems so that you can integrate many different types of business applications, regardless of platform, programming language, or API. Here's how it works in simple terms. An IMAGINiT Pulse connector extracts information from a business system and sends the data to the platform. Then, a second connector transmits the desired information to the destination using the correct format and mapping. And since data flows safely both ways between systems, your users always access the most current information. IMAGINiT Pulse is flexible, so it will work with your specific environment. Both connectors can be cloud-based, or one can be in the cloud and one on-premise. Our application engineers ensure your setup is worry-free. We work with you to understand your unique workflows, business logic, and triggers. We use these insights to customize the IMAGINiT Pulse connectors based on the mapping and scripting that is right for your organization. IMAGINiT Pulse standardizes the approach to system integration, bridging powerful business applications so that the right data is accessible to the right people across your entire company. IMAGINiT Pulse has pre-built connectors available for Autodesk Vault, Autodesk Fusion Lifecycle, Autodesk BIM 360 Ops, and BuildingLink. Contact us for ERP, CRM, and other connectors. To learn more, visit us at imaginit.com/pulse.